Welcome to the Fitness Feast channel. Today we are going to discuss how we can consume food as a medicine in our daily life. Food is an important part of our life. People love eating food, especially with family and friends. People who eat healthy and balanced are likely to have a lot of energy to work and less illness and dizziness. Children who eat well usually grow well. Women who eat well are likely to produce healthy babies. Food provides nutrients, which are the substances that provide energy for activity, growth, repair, and all functions of the body including breathing, digesting food, keeping the immune system active, and maintaining body temperature. Nutrients are divided into two categories, micronutrients and macronutrients. Macronutrients are those which we need in large amounts. They include carbohydrates, fats, and protein. Carbohydrates are composed of starches, sugars, and dietary fiber. Fats include unsaturated fatty acids, saturated fatty acids, trans fatty acids, and cholesterol. There are hundreds of different types of proteins. Micronutrients are the nutrients that we need in small amounts. There are many of these, but the most important micronutrients are minerals and vitamins. Minerals are iron, iodine, calcium, and zinc. Vitamins are of various different types including vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, and so on. Our body needs all these nutrients in a perfect amount of quantity so that there must not have excess or deficiency of any of the nutrients in our body. Our body uses different nutrients in different ways, and if some nutrient is lacking its required quantity, then our dependent part will start losing its functionality, and thus we will become vulnerable to different types of bacteria, viruses, and ultimately we will become ill. Now the question arises that how we can maintain thousands of nutrients in our body just by taking food and maintaining a particular diet. Firstly, you must have to consult the nutritionist, explain your health and body condition to him, because we can't figure out by ourselves which nutrient we are lagging in. Your nutritionist will suggest a perfect diet by taking your health condition into the account. If you are thinking of taking all the nutrients in a calculated amount, then it is impossible to do this. All we can do is to maintain our daily eating routine with fresh fruits and vegetables. We have to eat locally grown food soon after it's been picked. Don't restrict ourselves to just only favorites. Eat everything: fruits, vegetables, lentils, meat, eggs, herbs, beans, nuts, and drink milk and fresh juices. We have to eat mainly the food which our body needs the most. For example, if you have had bones-related issues, then most probably you are having deficiency of calcium or vitamin D. In order to reduce the calcium deficiency, you must take milk, cheese, and green leafy vegetables such as broccoli, cabbage. Now we will discuss the functions and source of nutrients. Carbohydrates came from rice, pasta, cereals, wheat, bread, and potatoes. The main function of carbohydrates in the body is to provide energy to our body. Vitamins and minerals came from fruits and vegetables. Their main function is to keep ourselves healthy by helping our body organs by providing the perfect amount of vitamins and minerals. Protein came from meat, fish, and dairy products. The main function of protein is muscle growth and repair. Calcium came from milk, cheese, and yogurt. Its main function is to keep our bones and teeth healthy. Good fats are also very important for our body. They came from olive oil and other vegetable oils. If we eat unhealthy food, it can increase disease risk. Unhealthy diets including high sugary drinks, fast food, and refined grains result in conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. A study in over 100,000 people found that every 10% increase in ultra-high processed food intake resulted in 12% increase in cancer risk. Additionally, a study on worldwide mortality and disease showed that in 2017, 11 million deaths and 255 million disability were due to poor diet. Now a question arises in every mind: can only food treat diseases? The answer is no. Because food alone can do nothing. If you have genetical diseases, stress, pollution, age, infections, occupational hazards, and other lifestyle choices such as lack of exercise, smoking, and alcohol use. While some dietary choices can either prevent or increase your disease risk, not all diseases can be prevented or treated through diet alone. Though shifting to a healthier dietary pattern can indeed prevent disease, it's critical to understand that food cannot and should not replace pharmaceutical drugs. If we sum up all this, we have concluded that following a nutritious diet is one of the most important factors in living a long, healthy life, but keep in mind that you should not rely on food only to replace conventional medicine. This is all we got for this topic. Hopefully, you guys like this video. Please share your thoughts and expert opinion with the YouTube family in the comments section of this video. Please do visit a nutritionist and dietitian in your routine. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure or prevent any disease, and please subscribe and press the bell icon for instant updates of Fitness Feast.